You love the convenience, lights adjust, music plays, doors lock with a voice command. But what if that same technology, designed to make your life easier, is also meticulously observing it? Your smart home isn't just listening for commands, it's potentially gathering a treasure trove of personal data about your habits, preferences, and even your most private moments. Let's uncover the unsettling truth. Every smart speaker, doorbell camera, or even smart TV often comes equipped with microphones and sometimes cameras. These aren't just activated by a wake word. They're constantly listening or scanning, processing audio and video streams to detect commands or motion. While most promise privacy, the raw data needs to be sent somewhere, usually to cloud servers for processing, creating potential vulnerabilities and a constant stream of information. Beyond audio and video, smart devices collect a wealth of metadata. Think about your routine, when you wake up, what you watch, your energy usage, even your presence in a room. This data paints a detailed picture of your lifestyle. Companies use this to improve services, but also to build comprehensive user profiles. This profile can be incredibly valuable, not just for the device manufacturer, but for anyone who can access it. Who exactly gets their hands on this data? Often, it's not just the device manufacturer. Many companies have agreements with third-party advertisers, data brokers, and even research firms. Your energy usage data might inform an insurance company, or your browsing habits could be sold to target ads. The privacy policies, often lengthy and complex, usually grant permission for this data to be shared, often without you realizing the full extent. Even if a company promises secure handling, no system is entirely invulnerable. Smart devices can be targets for hackers. A compromised smart camera could provide a live feed into your home, or a breached smart lock could be opened remotely. These vulnerabilities aren't just theoretical, they've led to real-world incidents, highlighting the critical importance of strong network security and regular software updates for all your connected gadgets. So, what can you do to protect yourself? First, review privacy settings on all your devices. Limit data collection where possible. Consider using guest networks for smart devices to isolate them from your main network. Be selective about which devices you bring into your home and read those privacy policies carefully. Disconnect devices when not in use, especially cameras, and prioritize brands with strong security reputations. The convenience of a smart home is undeniable, but it comes with a cost: your privacy. Understanding how these devices collect and share your data is the first step towards taking control. Be mindful of the digital footprint you're leaving within your own walls. Because in the world of connected tech, knowledge isn't just power, it's your best defense against being unknowingly observed.